Hello guys, welcome to a new video from Digital Pages. I get a lot of questions about jobs in Six Sigma. Many who are considering a career advancement in Six Sigma have these questions. What certification do I complete? Where do I find a job? And what are the real opportunities? And I see a lot of online platforms these days advertising. Get a job immediately after the certification. Get a 30% hike in your salary. Well, let me warn you, this is a false information. Building a career in any field is a continuous process of learning and self-improvement, and the same goes with Six Sigma. Let me try and break down the opportunities into two different buckets. The process improvement guys in Six Sigma, they are deployed into stable operations or value streams such as customer support, procurement and supply chain, source to pay, order to cash, financial services, IT services, or business process outsourcing services. And what do they actually do? They support operations in identifying, verifying, analyzing, and implementing process improvement and process re-engineering opportunities, provide technical and analytical support for process improvement initiatives, develop process analysis to improve efficiency, lower cost, and improve product quality, facilitate the design and implementation of new or improved process models and organizational structures, train and guide resources in process improvement techniques, manage and lead process team to achieve desired results, coordinate with various teams to analyze project results and performance, and you will be deployed in various levels within the process improvement framework. Now let's talk about the second area, which is a process consulting, and this is my sweet spot. You become part of a special project that drives end-to-end transformation of a business process. You completely redesign an existing process, or you become part of a automation initiative that is running in your organization, such as robotic process automation. Now these are two key areas of a Six Sigma certified or a Six Sigma consultant. Apart from this, you have lots of opportunities in the manufacturing, which I'm not really talking about it right now. So what is your journey to become a process consultant? If you are completely new to Lean and Six Sigma, I would recommend you take a awareness session in Lean or Six Sigma, or probably get a yellow belt certification or yellow belt training done. And once you get a high level understanding about the concepts, you take a call whether you are really passionate about studying this further and making a career from it. And the next step, I would recommend you go for a green belt training. It doesn't matter where you're getting your certification done. Always look for a trainer or a mentor who has lots of practical experience, who can actually generate that sort of an interest inside you than just teaching those technical skills. Once you're green belt trained, talk to your manager, talk to the leadership, let everybody know that you're interested about pursuing your career in Lean Six Sigma or process improvement. Ask them to give you some opportunities to participate in process improvement initiatives which is already running within an organization. Some organization does not have Six Sigma implemented at a large scale. There is always someone looking for improving the quality of services your organization is providing. Spend about 2 years, see if you can do 1 or 2 projects in your work area and get this approved by your customers, get this approved by your leadership, get this approved by your master black belt, and complete a 2 or 3 years of journey as a green belt in whichever area that you're working for. Once you gain enough expertise as a green belt, you apply for a black belt role if it is there in your organization, or externally you can look for a job. In most of the cases, you don't get placed directly as a black belt. Probably you have to go through a process of graduating into a black belt. Maybe you start as a process improvement analyst who is working under a black belt, or you become an assistant manager to a manager in quality, and during this role you do at least 2 or 3 black belt projects. You have to mentor at least 10 to 15 green belt projects and train at least 2 or 3 batches of green belt and look for a black belt certification formally. If your organization is providing, go for that first. If not, look for an external agency who can give you the certification. A process improvement analyst to a black belt who gets paid anything between 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs to 25 lakhs depending on the level that you're getting into in India. And a process consultant usually gets paid for a project, or it could be a day rate. like in Europe or UK, if I take an example, a practitioner of process improvement methodology gets paid between 600 pounds to 1200 pounds on a daily basis. Now let me show you some real opportunities of Six Sigma jobs. LinkedIn, I would recommend right now, is the best platform to find jobs, and I will show you the number of opportunities that's available today as a Six Sigma guy. Let's just go to LinkedIn and search for jobs, and in the skills just select Six Sigma. You can select by location, so I'm just looking for job opportunities within India. These are some of the opportunities. Let's see. The first one, AVP Transformation and Process Consulting. This is quite a senior opportunity. So the key responsibilities here: redesign, re-engineer key corporate processes end to end, conduct all phases and aspects of comprehensive process design such as data gathering, baselining, root cause analysis, quantitative and qualitative analysis, data modeling, work closely with transition managers and business unit and corporate stakeholders to carry out process optimization activities. So they're looking for high level certifications in Lean Six Sigma and other process improvement methodologies. Okay, let me pick another one. Okay, this is with Accenture, Senior Manager Functional and Process Excellence. Let's see what do they have. So they're looking for someone at a senior manager level. What we are looking for is Lean Six Sigma deployment, design and planning, ability to establish strong client relationship, corporate planning and strategic planning, thought leadership, operational excellence, process innovation. Accenture has more openings. Let me pick up another one from here. Okay, let's look at this one. Flipkart. Flipkart is a new company with new way of working, new e-commerce model of working. They also look for people with lean expertise, drive productivity improvements in operating process through structural interventions using process excellence methodologies, collaborate with various functions to drive business projects, perform lean assessment for multiple sites, coordinate site development plan for each site, develop lean champions, lean navigator at each site. Amazon, another e-commerce giant, Lean Six Sigma Black Belt certification, certified reliability engineering, CRE, certified quality engineer. Yeah, so this suits someone with a engineering background and Six Sigma certification. Process excellence manager with Salesforce. They're looking for someone who can plan, manage, execute small to medium size process improvement initiatives, engage with core committee or steer committee in identifying the list of processes that require improvement and refinement based on process. Manage a continuous improvement with IBM. That's another. So 8 to 10 years of relevant experience in the below mentioned areas. Certified Lean Six Sigma Black Belt from recognized organization institute. Ability to build and lead transformation roadmap involving different types of projects, process related, tech automation, consultant operations excellence. Siemens. Flipkart again, process excellence and design, senior manager. ABB is looking for continuous improvement specialist, lean digital transformation. Genpact. Genpact recruits a lot of Six Sigma and lean guys, and they have lean digital transformation is a combined role of driving digital transformation using lean and Six Sigma. Yeah, you see so many pages of job opportunities in Lean Six Sigma. All right, so it's a great profession to be in. There are plenty of opportunities. You guys are in demand, and always remember, you don't become successful as soon as you start something. It takes time, right? It's a journey. I hope you guys like this video, and please leave in the comment what else you want to know about Lean Six Sigma jobs and careers. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'm going to come back with lots of new videos and learnings for you.